Hey, what's up, AMP coin holder, my friend? In this time, AMP is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, my friends. To AMP will moving upward. Definitely, it's a very good news for all of you, my friends. To AMP, price will increasing now. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time, my prediction is also going to be positive now. But let's see, my friends. We will need to predicate this coin to understand better now. To really the very huge jump and very huge pump is coming soon. So first of all, my friend, in my previous video, I already told you, my friends, to they will give you a profit. So this time you can see here in last 24-hour change occurring 0.99%. That's mean to 1% the price is increased now. And if we check out, my friend, just in only last 3 days chart, my friend, let's check out the last 3 days. So in last 3 days, my friend, absolutely the price will fails down, but in last one day, the price will change occurring, as you can see here it's starting positive now. So that's mean to my prediction is 100% going to be right now, and definitely, my friend, when holder are starting selling, so the price will fail us down. So please be safe from the loss if you want, but don't starting selling to get a loss now, my friends. Please hold now. I hope they will give you a profit. Love is, take care.